here to gather and celebrate this momentous event, your 19th anniversary. Let's give a round of applause to the Loyola del Province. We are extremely pleased to be able to hold this celebration. May I take this opportunity to thank you. You have all worked so hard for this. Thank you for making this event possible. Again, good afternoon po and welcome to Loyola del Properties Incorporated 19th anniversary.
Thank you very much for everybody. I would like to express our deepest gratitude to God. It is through our Lord Jesus Christ, His guidance and blessings, that we have been able to navigate the many hurdles we've encountered. His unwavering support has been our anchor, providing us with the strength and wisdom needed to grow and succeed. We would also like to extend our heartfelt thanks to each member of our company. Your dedication, passion, and relentless pursuit of excellence have been the cornerstone of our success. It is through our collective effort and unwavering commitment that has transformed our challenges into opportunities and dreams into realities.
Sa inyo pong lahat, happy 19th anniversary. Congratulations with every good wish and the assurance of my prayer. At sabihin natin sa lahat, thank you for a job well done.
Thank you.
Palakpakan po natin ang Loyola Antipolo. Muli, ipanalangin natin ang Loyola sa kanyang susunod na panibagong dekada, sa kanyang 20 years. Nawa, sa another 20 years bago dumating yon, malinaw sa inyong lahat ang BMG ng Loyola. Kung ano ang kanyang vision, ang kanyang mission, at yung kanyang goal.
Masaya ba kayo? Actually, we are not celebrating one, but we are celebrating two occasions. It's actually the 21st founding anniversary of Loyola del Properties Incorporated and the 19th year of Loyola Gardens Antipolo. Yeah, congratulations everyone. Our journey has not been easy, but through perseverance, teamwork, and unyielding belief in our vision, we have built something truly remarkable. And as we look to the future, let us continue to trust in ourselves, our company and the Lord, and let us remain grateful for the blessings we have received and the opportunities that lies ahead.
I wish to congratulate everybody for this wonderful and successful event and to show my appreciation. Total, nasa kaharian tayo ngayon. Let me commend all of you with a bow. We continue to persist in being consistent in what we do best. Diba? We have surpassed the challenges, especially during the pandemic times, and continued to rise above all these challenges. Kung tayo ay magkakaisa sa iisang layunin na malampasan ang mga hamon natin sa ngayon, walang balakid na hindi natin mapagtatagumpayan.